we are repeating an alien, which is optional of this. In this case, we have the merge option, the earliest part. The thing is, we're going to continue with such programming. That's everything because the basic exercise. Okay, I've already solved everything. Bro, this is just new for JavaScript developers because this is not cleaner, by the way. Now I get the difference. So we are actually comparing the store informations rather than the value itself. After we tap swap out the definitions, the 2 equals sign it also checks the type. But when the dot equals doesn't, and this is just on C#. Okay, the theory is not accepting it because we have an entire string. It says that really makes sense. Let's check out over here. Or should I'm true. The conclusion on this part would be that we can this when it's out variables that share type. We can produce these dot equals even with variables that share it, which means that this is safer and useful to avoid Russia. So a string is an array directory. So you have good and that on all the Python lab. On JavaScript, with the index of returns, they are required if it's not found. This is basic programming. So it means that you just stop the execution. Wow, that's too basic. So let's get into this thread just have us. Necessary using directed. What is it? I think you said that because I was using it. Let's just see how it works. Right, so Cypherus. Okay, that's a bit. Now we select the line, and there we go. Subscribe Cypherus. So, but that's the difference between string and character. I mean, the character is just to the character, and the string is actually a composition of characters. I know that this is very intuitive. This is how we are actually finding the index of the C in this case, no? And we have that we are going to console right line the I. Okay, and let's do it. And what I want to find a C perfect also a C. So we'll have one here. Let's check this. When we find a C, we're going to just stop. If this is an A. We want to use from now on a pulse. Either we put it on. I mean, everything has stops where we find C. SQL. Subscribe. We want to have something like this. And it shall return a number of bad and over. But it's not fun.